Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 4. Nunc iemmem inter se luxu quam longa foere regnorum immemores turpique cupidine captos, aec passam dea foeda virum defundit in ora, protinus ad regem cursus decturquet iarban, incendit quanimum dictis atquagerat iras. Now remember, in the previous lines we had an indirect statement going on, so that continues here. Now, so it implied she was saying that they were cherishing so long a winter amongst themselves in luxury, forgetful of their kingdoms, and captured by foul desire. So these two these two lines are about Dido and Aeneas. It's saying that they are spending the winter together in luxury, and they're forgetful of their kingdoms, they're not paying attention to their duties, and they've just been captured by lust. Aec passam dea foeda virum defundit in ora. Here and there, the foul goddess pours out these things into the mouths of men, or into the faces of men. Now, dea foeda refers to Fama, or rumor, the foul goddess, rumor, or Fama. So she pours out these things, referring to these stories, these different stories about how Dido and Aeneas are acting and how their affair is being carried out, and she's telling them to men. She's pouring those stories out into their mouths. Straight away, she twists the courses towards King Iarbas, and she burns up his soul with words, and she heaps up angers. Now, to understand these lines, we need to know who King Iarbas is. Iarbas is another king in North Africa near Carthage, and he is a son of Jupiter, and he tried to court Queen Dido, but she rejected him, as she has been rejecting all suitors who come her way since she came to Carthage. However, now, according to this rumor, and according to what Virgil has told us, Dido has accepted Aeneas, and she has taken him to her bed, and they are now an item, and Dido thinks that they are married. She considers it marriage. So this clearly makes Iarbas upset. This rumor piles on, or burns up his soul with the words, and piles up angers. Iarbas feels that he has been insulted. Dido has been rejecting everyone, and that was okay, but it's not okay for her to have rejected Iarbas and now accepted Aeneas. It feels like an insult to Iarbas. Dido has accepted some foreigner whenever she rejected King Iarbas, a son of Jupiter.